So once you have opened Inspector up and you're ready to create your first solution, you just basically go here and type in the solution name. You can decide to make it private, but if you're running it locally, private or not private doesn't make any difference. But if you have it hosted, then different users can create solutions and keep them private. So in this case, we're going to save that. And in a previous video, you've seen how to create the DDR. Here, you simply click the plus solution button here, plus analysis, and then type in a name, let's say a demo for this. And depending on what you're going to be doing, if you just want to look for problems, you can uncheck the Calculate MD5 comparison data option, and there's two settings for problems. One is for including dormant items, and so it'll find problems where, for example, let's say you had field validation by value list and that option was unchecked, but the value list might have been, let's say, deleted. So that's a dormant problem, and so if you check this checkbox, Inspector will find that problem and report it. If you uncheck this checkbox, then it will not look for problems like that. Just similarly, if you've got any other things that are dormant in the same way, it will not track those problems. If you don't want to track problems at all, you can also uncheck both of these. You go ahead and click Import, and then point it to the summary file. Go ahead and insert it, and Inspector starts parsing right away, and it's fully 64-bit, and it's fully threaded, so that what it just did is it parsed 443 XSL files and went and imported them and did a lot of post-processing. And here we have the solution, and it can just dive in and start looking at things in here. So in a later video, we'll look about other aspects of the solution, but that's how you import a DDR.